Welcome to India, a land where nature's wonders unfold at every corner. From the snow-kissed peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-drenched sands of the Thar Desert, India offers an unparalleled journey for the soul. In the north, the towering Himalayas cradle the land, home to tranquil valleys, cascading waterfalls, and ancient forests. The cool breeze of Darjeeling invites you to take a stroll through its world-famous tea gardens. Feel the serenity of nature as you breathe in the crisp mountain air and discover a culture woven into the landscape. Journey south, and you'll find the golden expanse of the Thar Desert. Here, beneath the vast, endless sky, the sands tell stories of an ancient past. Experience the magic of a desert sunset and camp under the stars. The desert, in its stillness, is alive with beauty and adventure, waiting for you to discover its secrets. Head to the backwaters of Kerala, where lush green landscapes meet the tranquil waters of the Vembanad Lake. Drift through winding canals, surrounded by swaying palms, and listen to the sounds of nature's symphony. Here, time slows down, and every moment feels like a meditation. For those seeking adventure, India's national parks are a treasure trove. Walk through the dense forests of Madhya Pradesh and come face to face with majestic tigers, elephants, and an array of wildlife in their natural habitat. In India, the wild is alive, raw, and breathtaking. And when you need to unwind, India's coastlines offer the perfect escape. Golden beaches stretch for miles in Goa, where the ocean breeze mingles with the rhythm of local life. Dive into the sparkling waters, or simply let the sun kiss your skin as you lose yourself in the beauty of India's shores. From the lofty heights of the Himalayas to the calming rhythms of the Indian Ocean, India offers an adventure like no other. Every landscape tells a story, every journey opens your heart, and every corner invites you to explore. Come, discover India, where nature's wonders are waiting for you. Incredible India.